Hi, my name is Tran, and today I would like to present an improvement plan for Venetian Nail Spa. Venetian Nail Spa is a franchise and it's been around since 2010. And this is a very successful business that located around several states in the United States, mostly in state of Florida and Texas. Venetian Nail Spa located in Wesley Chapel inside of Wiregrass Mall, and it's an outdoor mall and it's surrounded by a lot of good businesses. Traffic coming through this mall is impeccable, and they currently have 32 staff. Their services are ranging from $10 to $100. Their mission statements are they offer various services and product, from simple to high-end services at reasonable prices, and they provide excellent customer service through friendly, knowledgeable patients and well-trained professionals. They provide repairs and refund, and they also offer compensations for the satisfied customer. Venetian Nail Spa has a solid customer base, and their busiest time is based on the weekend, Friday through Sunday. Due to the traffic, the salon is experienced. Staff fail to take lunch break, and for the past couple of years, they have been experiencing the shortage of technician because of too many people went on vacation at the same time. And the company would like to address these problems to reduce the waiting time for the customers, and perhaps the staff will be able to have enough time to eat. Having good relationship between employees and employers makes the business run well. They require technicians to have excellent customer service skills. Um, they always trying to keep up with new trends and new products that are available to the market, and they also pay attention to keep their prices fair to the customer, especially to comparing to competitors around them. And most importantly, they are known for fulfill requirements from State Board Cosmetology, Florida Cosmetology State Board, through every year inspections on cleanliness and safety. In 2016 through 2018, their profit hasn't gained, and by expanding market advertisement, it will help them to recover the profit. And by adjusting the employee vacation time and lunch break, will allow the technician to be available to customer at the peak time. And by improving the media, the social media means responding to customer feedback, and start making online advertisement. After we did a deep research, we found that problems of the company were lack of was social media advertisement and vacation scheduling. This will allow us to build a better relationship with client, and increase the growth of future customers who can rely on our results and leave satisfied. Um, by enforcing the new regulation, we will be able to track the employees' vacation times. That means no more shortage of technicians, and no vacation at peak times, which is Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, the big holidays. because those are the time that the busiest time of the year. And because everyone is based on um, commissionary, so they would want to work on the peak times. And 1 hour's lunch break will be enforced as soon as possible due to the current situation. And this will benefit everyone's health. And on the any of the positive feedback from the social media, the certain employees will be rewarded by receiving cash or gift card. It depends on their preferences. No one likes changes. The risk here are employee might not they might get frustrated that they won't get the certain time off that they wanted, and it's because of it's first come first serve. So whoever turned in first would get that date. And if they don't like it, they might tell others not to work here because whatever reason that they don't like, and the change of new rules. And even though we're gonna offer discount to the customer who gave feedback, like negative feedback online, they might not choose to come back. And the difficulty to enforce the lunch break is right now they are used to eating whenever they please and when it's not busy and all that. But now making them to follow the time, they might forget to take the lunch hour that they supposed to, and it might take a little bit of time. The final recommendations that I have for Venetian Nail Spa is before implying the new rules, they should have a mandatory meeting for employees, and is the best way to inform anything that was going on with the current situation, and explain why are they changing it, and listen and accept the feedback from employees, because it's important. The employees' voice is important. And they make sure that they inform the lunch break is a must, because it's regulated by labor law. And fair negotiation with customer negative feedback is the if it was the employee's fault, they should take responsible for that. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.